crawling along.
This is weird for the Florida's coast.
Everybody's got to do maintenance.
Then how are the trains supposed to come? Separate trucks, look under that second wall. Look under it.